Diyos ko! Hi everyone! Actually guys, I will be making a mukbang. This is saging. Mostly ang mga Pinoyan. Okay. See? This is saging. Here we go. This is saging guys. And then, laminin siya pagparisan siya ginamos. Diba? Wow, ginamos. Nakaginamos mama. Dura. So here we go guys, ginamos here. And lami siya kaya nani siya sili. Let me focus this one. Ginamos. Saging. Girl, nakisaging dira. Alright, so here we go. Mga unataog saging with ginamos.
Wow.
So let's open this one. And then we make it tusnod here.
Yummy!
Apa? Ini asal gini. Maura to siya guys. Wala lang, share ko lang count ko saging. Ano di ay? I'm done.